Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new Valorant tutorial video. And in this video, we will talk about how to fix blue screen issue in Valorant. So first, go to the search panel and type Valorant. Now right click, open file location, then right click on Valorant again, properties, and open file location. Now navigate back to Riot Games, then Valorant, Live, and right click on Valorant.exe. Go to Properties, Compatibility. Now check Disable Full Screen Optimization and run this program as an administrator. Now click Apply. Now go to search again, type Run. And in here, you have to type %local app data %. Now hit OK. Now go to Riot Games. Now go to Valorant. Now select all the files in here, right click and hit delete. This is how you can solve the blue screen issue in Valorant. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.